Hello, farmers and poultry lovers. Welcome back to my channel, the best place for poultry tips and tricks. So, today I will share with you 5 practical and easy ways to stop your chicken from falling sick during the rainy season. Trust me, this rainy season, your chickens can stay healthy, strong, and disease-free if you follow these simple tips. So watch till the end of the video. Number 1 tip: keep the coop dry. First and most important, keep your chicken coop dry. Rainy seasons cause damp litter, wet floors, and mold. Perfect condition for diseases like coccidiosis and respiratory infections. Regularly clean the coop, replace wet bedding, and make sure the roof doesn't leak. Use sawdust or dry wood shavings to absorb moisture. The next one is tip number 2: improve ventilation. Next, make sure there is good airflow in the coop. Proper ventilation prevents buildups of moisture and harmful gases like ammonia, which can weaken your bird's lungs. Don't block all the windows. Cover them with mesh to keep rain out, but let air in. Ammonia is a serious thing in our poultry farms, so we need to keep enough ventilation. Tip number 3: feed booster and supplement in rainy seasons. Chickens need stronger immunity. Give them multivitamins, electrolytes, probiotics mixed in drinking water. So, if you have watched to this very point and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe and join the great family. So, tip number 4: clean drinking water. Always provide clean, fresh drinking water. Dirty or stagnant water becomes a breeding ground for bacteria and parasites. Always change the water daily. You are to give your birds fresh water, and if you are giving them any medication, it's expected to change it within 24 hours. Another tip here that you need to do is to add a little apple cider vinegar or garlic. Both are natural immune boosters. You can add apple cider vinegar, or garlic. Both are natural immune boosters. Tip number 5. Regular health checks. Lastly, inspect your chickens every day. All what you need to do is to inspect your chickens every day. Watch for signs of illness, sneezing, example like sneezing, if your birds are sneezing, or if they are coughing, or diarrhea, or weakness, or even a loss of appetite. Early treatment can save the bird and prevent diseases spread. When you start early treatment, you will be able to save your flock and you prevent disease spread. So if you look at this litter closely, you will see that this litter is very, very, very dry. Very dry. How can you keep it very dry? All what you need to do every morning, maybe because of water spillage where you used to place the drinkers, if there is any wet litter there, all what you need to do is to pack that area, remove the wet litter, because no matter what, they will be able, they used to always pour water even while drinking. So what you need to do every day is for you to remove the wet litter that is around your drinkers, and then by so doing you'll be able to maintain dry litter like this even in the rainy season. Another thing that you need to do is to make sure that your roof is not leaking. You look at this litter closely, you will notice that this litter is very, very dry. So I have so many videos on my channel, and I have another video how to manage deep litter system. How often should you clean up? I will leave the link in the description box so they'll be able to see how you learn how to manage your litter and how often should you clean off the litter. I have so many videos on my channel. How to supplement feed, how to make your own fermented plantain or banana stem feed. Healthy chickens are active and alert. If one looks tired or slow, take action immediately. So, there you have it. 5 simple ways to keep your chickens safe during the rainy season. 1. Keep the coop dry. 2. Ensure good ventilation. 3. Use vitamins and supplements. 4. Provide clean drinking water. And 5, the last, check their health daily. So if you found this video helpful, please kindly subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.